Welcome to Adult Presbyopia. Today we are going to see about presbyopia. Now, what is presbyopia? The eye which have both the defects called myopia and hypermetropia. For most people, the near points gradually reside anyway. Find it difficult to see nearby objects and distinctly objects. They can be corrected the eye by using concave lens and convex lens. This defect is called presbyopia. It arises due to the gradual weak of ciliary muscles and distinguished flexibility of the eye lenses. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia. Such people often require bifocal lenses. A common type of bifocal lenses consider of both concave lens and convex lens, which can be cure the eye by providing shorter vision and longer vision. You can see about the spectacles of bifocal lens. Portion considered of concave lens, which can be see distant object. The lower part of the convex lens, which can be seen nearby the object. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.